Mga kapuso, awesome app ang dinevelop ng isang ama para matulungan sa pagsasalita ang mga batang may autism tulad po ng kanyang anak. Pinasubok natin ito sa iba pang kids na pareho ang kondisyon. Tara, let's change the game.
Mouse, yes.
Blessing para kay Mami Berber ang mga anak. Kaya todo ang alaga sa 15-year-old na si Jared na may severe autism. At ang 7-year-old na si Ruru na may moderate autism.
Magkaiba yung management nila. Magkaiba din yung reception nila with anything na approach sa kanila.
Kabilang sa challenges ang communication, lalo't hirap silang mag-focus. Kaya para sa mga awesome parents tulad niya, may nag-develop ng app na tutulong sa kanilang speech development. Introducing the Milo Speech Buddy app designed for children with autism.
Mga kapuso, kasama natin si Sir Vincent Rocha or Sir Vince Rocha. Siya po yung founder nitong Milo app na marami nang nakagamit na kids with autism.
It was really made for my son. He was diagnosed with autism. During that time, we tried to find the right intervention. So it took us 1 year and 6 months para mahanap yung correct intervention para sa anak ko. We look into the methodology called video modeling. In short, ginagaya lang, di ba? So, but using videos. So, parents can actually follow through and show the child on how to speak words, how to enunciate.
Isa itong malaking breakthrough, lalo na na-highlight din siyempre yung abilidad ng Pinoy na gumawa ng ganitong klaseng app.
Pinasubukan natin ito kay Mami Berber at sa kanyang kids.
Sheep. Yes. Sheep. Sheep.
Mas napapadali ba yung buhay mo and, mas dumadali ba yung communication mo with them?
Yes. Ang feedback sa school, si Ruru ang daldal niya na ngayon. Before Milo, hindi siya talaga magtotok. Pero simula nung na-expose siya sa video modeling ng Milo, mas naging proactive siya to talk.
Mouse. Very good. So talagang ito makukuha nila yung attention at syempre mag-i-enjoy yung kids. At the same time, mas matutulungan sila with their communication skills. Okay.
Paalala naman ni Vincent, ang app na ito, hindi replacement sa mga eksperto.
This is just a guide. This is just a tool for us parents.
There you have it mga kapuso, an awesome development that will help the parents, the guardians of children with autism and speech delays that will fast-track their progress and help them build relationships and build connections with other people. Para sa GMA Integrated News, ako si Martin Javier, changing the game!